It only took days for everything to fall apart. I showed up at the hospital and was told I couldn't see my children. Then I showed up in court and was told they may not be mine. I can remember the day my twins were born so vividly. In my left arm was my daughter, in my right arm was my son. I realized I had a new mission and I had a new reason to live. When I was denied access to see my children, I was in shock. I was 26 years old, recent law school graduate with my entire life ahead of me. Then I was accused of anything and everything. Sexual assault, domestic violence, substance abuse, you name it, I heard it. I was forced to go long periods of time without seeing my children. It was a trying time, but it made me who I am. It set me on my path. That experience of being wrongfully treated ignited something in me. It marked the beginning of my family law career and fueled my desire to be a voice for those who couldn't speak for themselves. A voice for those who have been falsely accused and an outspoken advocate for men and fathers. My empathy for fathers, especially those who just want to be great fathers, stems from personal experience. I can look at a father and honestly tell him I know how he is feeling. I've been there, and I'm going to do everything in my power to help you get out of that place. There's so many times that I left the courtroom or left a negotiation and reunited a father with their children, and to walk out and see the joy on a father's face when he's going to get to see his child for the first time in months or years. They are honest, they are good humans, and now they get to pass that along to the next generation. Our goal is to help those who don't have a voice and give them an advocate that they deserve. A successful day for me means knowing I've made a meaningful impact on at least one person's life. At Real Fathers' Rights, we don't just focus on your case, we care about your family, your livelihood, and your future.